Khubleipi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ka Donbosco Media Network. Imat ki bakongsan menta ka singi kilong. Rai ka Dream Mission ban penbun ki jaka sumar ya ki nong di drong. Hadu shiteng sinya beteng ki pulit ribhoi ban talasi ya ki kali penkenyan. Sange ka kali umukul sangma ula pertu ya ki pulit ka ribhoi. Ban yo jingarap ars pangut ki baduna dukot met bat ki riu temen na jirang blok. Temantang ni apai syaki Khubor ki bakamnya. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konrat ke sama hakapra tarik Risaw ula lum ya ke Jylla jong ke Dream Mission. Hakabala wan ban shimbenta daki he sorkar ki seng baper bat kumju ki kenhun nyam. Banyatai halor ki lat ki lenti ban penjur syu ya ke Jylla khun persya ya udrok ha ke Jylla. Habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor hadien ke Jylla, Menteri Rangba ulayat hu baha kani ke Jylla. La shimru ya karai ban ple khambun ki jaka sumar ya kitu ki bala kerni ha ka jingdi drok ha keleng ki benta jong ke Jylla. Uong kumbalong menta ki jaka sumar ki babun ki dontang ha Shillong. Bat day na kata kadau ke sorkar kelakwa ban ple ya ki jaka sumar ha ki weipat ki distrik ke Jylla.
We had the meeting of the Dream Mission and all the concerned officials and departments and stakeholders from the community, private sector, as well as faith-based organizations participated in this particular review meeting. It was a very positive and very fruitful meeting that we had, and certain very important decisions we have taken where we have given a clear indication to the health department as well as the social welfare department to set up minimum infrastructure in different locations. For example, there are many district headquarters that don't have a detox as well as a de-addiction center. So we have decided and given instruction today to social welfare as well as health department to examine and work and take the step forward to have either in the government hospitals, and if not in government hospitals, in any of the private or any of the faith-based organizations or any other organizations and NGOs who are willing to present from the police department, and therefore very strict instructions and directions have been given that areas where which are hotspots and areas where we have information that different kind of drugs or substances are being sold in an illegal manner, that police has been asked to crack down on these locations, and therefore the decision has been made, and very regularly, as I said, surprise visits and checks will be made by the police, and this will be done in a very strict and aggressive manner, and the police has been asked to leave no stone unturned to ensure that this activity starts. Maybe we cannot go to all locations in one go, but we will start with the main areas where we feel that there has to be a very strong action from the police. So apart from the fact that the police has been very successful in catching the supply side, but the retail part where the sales takes place and where our youth and others are affected because of the the sale by certain individuals, we want to even go down to that level, and we want to ensure that the police now acts very firmly, and CCTVs will be put up in these locations, manpower will be increased in these locations, surprise checks will be made by both in fact all police, excise department as well as the community will work together to ensure that necessary action is taken in all these places. That we are very firm on ensuring that the action against drugs is a very firm one. I want to send a message to the people at large that the government is very serious on this, and you will see very aggressive action in the coming days. And as I said, whether it's from police department, health department, social welfare, or the community, we will be all working together to ensure that we are able to
Ki pulit karib hoy hakamit nyaw tarik Risaw ki la penlong ya kajing talasi ya ki kali ki ba penkenyan ki bayat lengba ka surok ba hasor nongpo kabala sedang nadu kapor nyaw baji hadu khat ar baji shiteng senya Kani ka jing khanra ki pulit eki kali bat eki nongnya kali kadai namar ka jing nang jur ki jingja accident haki surok ba pang namar ka jingnya klam akor ki driver bat ki breu ki baladan hapedeng ka jing buat kiat khamtam haki por menmet. Hakani ka ju ka met ki pulit ka ribhoi ki lapan long ru ya ka jing tarasi haki arteli ki benta jong ka surok ba jong ka ribhoi ha sning bat ha yam. UVS Rathor, Senior Superintendent of Police Ribhoi, rengkat batu additional SP ba O Masar in charge traffic, Rubul Ali traffic in charge Nopok branch, bat kiwe ki pulit kila danlang hakani kajing talasi kali. Habakran hakilat pathai Khubor SSP ka Ribhoi VS Rathor ulaong. Yakani lale kum shibenta banwanra ya kajing shngan ya ki ba ki bayat bayeng haki surok ba. Namar balabun palat kinongnya kali ki bapen ken ya ki kendon an ki bam saliaru banya ya ki kali wat hapdeng ka jingbuan. Shu uloong ki pulit kinamla ban pahara baro shisngi bat habaro ki jaka ban lap ya ki bapen ken an. Hendrai ki palba kila ban shu shandur lani ring de ki video lada lap ya kum kita bat pentip bat pa syaki pulit. Ki pulit kin sale ya ka badan kam. Hakani kamet ki pulit kila talasiru ya ki kali ki ba pendat ya ki light klamakor ya ki kali ki balashna pensawa jam ya ka silencer bat ya ki nongnya ki badan hapdeng ka jingbuat kian. Ladan kuna ya ki nu ki balik persya bat hakani ka jing talasi hakilai teli ki benta jong ka surok haribhoi layo bandan kuna hadu pralak tengka na ki nongnya kali ki ba penkhain bat ki banyak klamakor.
As you rightly told, there have been a series of accidents in last few weeks as well as the whole year we are seeing. I think as per estimate, I don't have confirmed data, but around 50% already they have lost their lives. So though it is a routine thing for us, it's a daily exercise which is being done by traffic unit as well as other field units like Bada Pani, NEHU also, Khanapara also, they all are doing. But today, myself along with my additional SP and other senior officers, we have come down on ground to stand together with the force so that their morale also goes high and to give a strict message to everyone who is commuting on this highway that we will be very strict, especially on helmet for two-wheelers, seat belts for four-wheelers as well as driving in terms of alcohol. Because we have seen that most of the accidents which have happened in last few weeks, mostly it was because of negligence on the part of driver. There are very few accidents which are actually accidents which just happened. Most of the accidents are either the driver is under the influence of alcohol or he is sleepy or he is driving at a very high speed. We have notified the speed limits. 80 km/h is the maximum speed limit in the Risaw district on NH6. But we have witnessed, especially the trucks, when the trucks are empty, they drive at a very high speed. Another problem we are seeing is that most of those HGVs are driving on the right lane, which is absolutely wrong. The right lane is the overtaking lane. It is for other vehicles to overtake. So what happens when the truck or dumper starts moving in the right lane? The smaller vehicles, cars and all, they have to overtake from the wrong side. Many a times that also causes a lot of accidents. So it's a combined thing. Our endeavour is to minimize the accidents. Though we cannot man the whole highway 24/7, but whatever force we have, whatever resources we have, we are trying to maximize our traffic enforcement exercise. Yes, you have witnessed today evening, we are conducting this exercise since 7 p.m. It's already 3.5 hours. I think we have already issued challan worth approximately 5 lakhs, I guess. Some challans are yet to be issued, the photos are being taken. So most of the challans are for driving under influence only. Just now you saw one traveller full of tourists. The driver was unable to walk also. So most probably 5 kilometers down the line he will either hit himself on the divider or roadside or hit some other vehicle.
So like we have seen.
Of course we are checking the driving license. You are witnessing yourself. We are checking the driving license also, the insurance also, the pollution also, RC also. Many young boys and girls, especially at exuberance of youth, they tend to speed up, overspeed the vehicle, especially with the
Katba ki pulit karib hoy hapo ka jingalam UVS Rathor, Senior Superintendent of Police, rengkat u Additional SP ba Omasar in charge traffic, kidang talasi ki kali hasurok ba nongpo hakapor khat ar baji shiteng senya, lawan poy kensan kakali basyong u Dr. Mukul Sangma MLA nongyalam kaliang persya bat kalasange bantip ya kadaw. Habala bataya ka jing tmu jong ka jing talasi ya ki kali ki bayat pinkenyan, bat ya kinongnya ki bala syo kawyang. Uni unong ya lampad ba na kilom garo ulaya ro bat pertu ya ka jing minot bat jing tre shitom jong ki pulit kani ka distrik ban wanra ya ka suk kasan bat ka jing shngan ya ki pad ba ki balet bawan na kani ka surok ba. Ha ka jing ya kren u Dr. Mukul Sangma bat u SSP. Lapen kan mau ya ki jingja bas ngausi hatat rang. Kabalawan ra ya kajingdu no iki mensim jengki hybrid bat ya kajingja aksiden kabadang jashen hakaba arngut kinongnya kali sorkar kila klat tang namar ba kinongnya trok kila don hapedeng kajing buat kiat jabhor.
You're from media.
Which one, sir?
Trauma Center.
And you open for this one?
Your District Road Safety Committee,
Yes, sir.
this is the chairman.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You're SP?
yes sir.
So you are secretary,
Sir,
Of the committee.
member, sir.
member.
Sir,
Look at the notification of the Honorable Supreme Court.
sir, sir.
Go by that committee.
Yes, sir.
I will come and have a program.
Sir, sure, sir.
Let us have a review
Sir, sir, sir.
on road safety because therefore yesterday there was an incident also earlier.
Sir,
What I am told is that the injured are shifted to Shillong Civil Hospital.
not this
Trauma-
one, sir. Thadrang one, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, trauma center.
Yes, sir.
Ideally, trauma center, which is nearest,
Sir.
must be the destination
Sir, sir.
to save life.
Yes, sir.
So this is a matter of concern, and I'm happy that you are doing the checking.
Sir, sir. Yes, sir.
And then I think daytime that overloading truck,
Sir. Yes, sir.
highly overloaded.
Sir.
Which is probably transporting your aggregates.
Yes, sir.
Those are
Clinkers and all.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Anyway, all the best.
That day, sir, we sent to Shillong, sir, because from Thadrang, Shillong was the nearest hospital, sir. So we sent one to Nazareth, one to Supercare, one to Civil. Because coming to Nongpo, sir, Shillong is like nearer to us, sir. From that
From
side,
there,
sir,
from
it
there.
was from Vairamong side, sir.
That
one side.
incident of Sunday,
Yes, sir, that 4 persons died, sir. Yes.
the garbage.
That one was here, sir, quinine. 2 drivers died, sir, and 1 injured was brought here, sir, civil hospital.
No, I
Nilkash,
talked to some of your media friends.
sir,
This version I got from them
sir.
that some of the injured were shifted to Shillong.
That was the previous day, sir. This to sir Nilkash Momen is from Kharkota, sir. He was brought to civil hospital, sir. We were there.
Let us collectively do something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We'll have to
Sir,
see
we'll do
how
our best, sir.
best we
Sir,
can improve.
thank you for your time, sir. Well, you do know the bar like.
और कहाँ चला गया?
लेके आओ, खोलो। खोल के शीश करना है मोबाइल को। तो उसको ड्राइवर लेके आओ। लेके आओ। बच्चा तो लोग दिखाओ। आपका घर कहाँ है? पलटन बाजार। और आईडी कार्ड दिखाओ। चलो होकर।
Ka Office Community and Rural Development Block Jirang hakasingi pratarik Risaw kala penlong ya ke program bansa mekitiar jingerap sikitu ki badan jingduna haki department bat ikiriu temen ki balano kerta senior citizens ki basyong basa haki shnong jongkani ke block. Uba Sostinus Sotun, MLA, MDC, Ubalong Ru, Menteri, CNRD, Ulalong Ukongsan, Hakani Kajingelang Patba, Balasenran, da Upi Hajong, BDO Jirang CNRD Block, Kakong Esun, District Social Welfare Officer, Kinong Mikmat Naka Artificial Limbs Manufacture Corporation of India, Kabalayarap Kerpang, da Kitiar Kitar Ban Pendankam, da Kitu Kibaduna Haki Konmet, Bat Kitemen Kikro, Bat Kipatba Kibalawan na Keleng Kishnong, Jongkani ka blok. Hakani ka jingyalang ars pangut kilayo ikitiar ki bakentup yaki wheelchair ki tricycle ki dingdo nakabenta ki badeko bat ki bamlayat ki tiar jing pensawa lani ki stranger sound system syakitu ki baduna de khotmet ki badon yaki sap hakarwai ka siaw ki kor penyo sngo hearing aids nakabenta ki tu ki baduna ka bor yo sngo ki skor.
Lani kidon jingduna haki de khotmet Pimdai bandon ya ka jing sorem halade Henry Pideban long kum kita ki citizens lani ki nong shong snong kiba dakano kono kalat kalenti pila banlong kita ki nong shong snong kibala ban aya ka Jingershan lani ka contribution na kamenta kari kajumi balai ngaung kumta namar ba bunsin omdai tangki babiang haka renyeng renyot haka bor perkat kibala aban ai ya kata ka contribution lani banno senyang na kamenta kari kajumi Henry what mapi kibedon hangne lapilong kibadon haga jingruna haga borio snow lane hagi khotmet Henry pidon ya kabenta kapakong santam na kabenta kari kabi kijungi ki long kumi kerang pa ki Samla baro kiba lengba ka district social welfare department but Nagariboy district agajing shimkia jeng i officer i tong NF sun agawang angit skamba yaka serbi baro lane ka jing wat jing tip shakishnong githau baro lala banyo lala ban shim jing ken nagamancha kinong shong shnong kiba layau karta bat kumju nakamta ki priu kibadon haki jingdona haki department te kari ke kabu nakamta jauh di baro iwe hakaba kini yo ekini kalat kalenti bat pinpenan kam ya kini kitiar kiba nakaliang ka alemko ringkat pada Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, hagaba lala pan pentoy, ya kini kitiar baro, naga benda kacing mento kejupi, player kerkui pi, kinang iyo eka met kapat kebersat peklan, but ngakin tu ipi baro iwe apa vision me kini kitiar benan kami ki kanong kajing mentoy nagamenta jempi
ka LSM li production rengkat kajinga trelang bat kan nangkiu syaprang MPCS haka praterik Risaw kila pelong da ka program ai jing hikaya ki Samla kenthei bat kilong kumi halor ki kam thanjan bat thirksai ban pli lat pli lenti bat ban kentiu haka yo ka kot jong hipat ba hakinong kendong ya kanika program hikai la penlong ha Queen nong lado Riboy district kajing thmu jong kanika program ka long ru ban penslur ki Samla kenthei bat ki long kmi ki bana ki than khapsor bat ki shnong ki badon harut ka surok ba national highway bakin mi shakmat ban trei hakikam thanjan bat ban thirksai namar kumbalong baro shikata ki long kmi ki ba em hakani ka jatkam ki dei tang na ki nong kandong kanika district Hakani kasngi lawan bandan bentalang dekat district handloom officer Ribhoy kakong Deni Taryang rengkat ke jingdan lang uba Lancius Emle producer ke LS Emle production kakong R Karmau Plang naka nangkiu Shaprang MPCS ki Samla kentei bat kilong keme nakani kasnong.
First time jungi hangni apo hani ki area jungi matulong kini ki program bat judan ma te kadang madam ki pelong kena ini program kajing mut hi ka kajing temu hi kajonga bat kajing kendo ba ikong bindas ba kunjo ba iba Karmau Plang kalong ba nga laslam hi nga kwa mo tong ba ngamla beli maroi beli kajing yo i jonga kajing kwa kajonga kalong ba kilong kami jongi hakini kidong kitan jongi kamtam kini ki highway mo kim ngempat ji ba kindong kini ki benta ban simi kini ki benta ban Tanjan nama ba kibat Tanjan ni kidan be sekwi pati area ba kamjangai na ki national highway so ba kisnong kidan ha kam paji na ka surok ba mo andoi ki ba kiba ni ba ting ting hakani ka tothai ba kudu kam kudu jam mo kibun kilong kami ki Samla kala prep school kiong ki ud bam dan kam dan jam te ki banga ngai kalong ba kani ka di kawai kalan ban pelong ki makila ban yang la ki chong ki kejat makila ban seng ya ki kam ki jam ki chong ki te ban pelong ki ni ka kumno ban pelong ka ta ka kam nilai song ba di kong bindas mai lai mesin nga bai la ong nga ba baba ya be sakmat gindon lang ba ki gin pelong ya kini ki area jong kini kisnong pada majan ba kini kisnong jongi gin pelong da training ba ki badan jing temu badan jingmut ki bakwa ban yang hala ki jong ki kejat te kin suan ha kanika training ki jongi nang ba kinang kumdo ban Tanjan ban tilksai dan bande kini ki kam ke waide ba kanika kam Tanjan te na ha bede ba kata te madam ngisa kwa ngisa kwa city ba kin poi ha kanika sini ba ba pin batai lam ki egi jing mentai kam tam ki ni ki palak jongi ki ba kim siang ba nale jongi ginang long ba 0% ni pate bi ai ma te ni kwa madam na le ji ba pin batai lam pin sai lam ki jing mentai bat ki kam bat kumno nila ban em la ne ban le ha be de ba de ka kam Tanjan te tang kita hi ki jing thmu ke jongi te ni kwa ai pi madam ba pin batai lam ngi te sai sien nga pedang ai le pi ba kunju nga pedang subhari ya i ba Karmau Plang kunju ya ka kim hi ba kawai jong ka nakil Shoplang society di telok buana omdan kalau i para jong kong bindas ba i telok jungi bat kunju ikni long kami ki bawan nami na po snong bat kunju na kini ki majan snong mo ki balaiwan lang besibun nga pedang subhai pi we ba nga kelban ka jingwan jong ki kanam long sab ne le no akan nikasni ngakelman ba ka jingwan ka jong pi akan nikasni pisayo apat ki jingwan trai ba pisayo ha ka jing batai jing madam bat kunju harian kani ngi sadan pat ka ki training ba gi sabu kisni mo man kasni te ngi sai pembe sibet kat no baje kanang ba ngi sai discuss lang mat pi kinu kapor ba pi hamsngo long free kapor ngi sai pembe lang sibet dalawai kani program te tang ni kutien ngai play pi we play sibot
Badak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syagabakut tat hadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.